background is what I've done. So let's start. I want to do like a cut crease look. I carefully placed it using this brush. Okay, and for this next step, it doesn't say the number on it or whatever. It looks like that. It looks like that. It says Morphe. But if you have something similar, then you know, try to make it work. I'm gonna get the yellow eyeshadow, and then we're gonna put it like this. Carefully apply it with the first brush that I use. I'm gonna try to get whatever is left over here and blend it upward carefully. And this makes a big ass difference because this eye and then look at the other one. You see the difference when it's blend and when it's not blend. I will be using the 𝓵𝓬𝓼. Looks sloppy, but it works. And it looks like that. Okay, I need to concentrate. Next part, I'm going to be using this. It's Louis Space in shade 𝓕𝓪𝓬𝓮. Apply it again because I gotta concentrate. Now I'm gonna go with the sample 𝓒𝓮𝓬𝓮. This one. Let me just finish whatever is left. I'm gonna apply this eyeliner. And it's my Silver Beauty. Okay, I hate using a lot of palettes, but I hope this is the last one I'm using. I'm going to be using the hot pink. Now you want to buy me diamonds and I'm on 𝓕𝓪𝓬𝓮 and Chanel boots. Things that make up for all the games and the lies. Homework cards saying I apologize. Is you with me? How could you ever deceive me? For this next part, I'm going to be using glitter gel from ColourPop. Looks like this. I love to exaggerate on the glitter, so I'll just bring down a little bit.
You don't want these bullets flying like some corn. And I spend this money cause I earned it.
I've already tried this eyeliner and I really like it. It's by Norvina. I wanted to stand out with that light blue eyeshadow, so I feel bad because I couldn't really do it on camera. I have to like be very up close to my face. But all I did was I got my lash glue. I'll make like dots around. Damn, I can't even show you, but okay, so I have the little like the little gems, whatever. Then on the dots where I put the lash glue, I put the gem on top of it, and it looks really cute. I even added like right there, right there. So this is the final look.